Hello guys, here is I have Samsung A14 5G. This phone problem is power button is stuck. It doesn't work power button and phone is on. When I plug in and charge, phone is on, but it doesn't press the power button and volume button is clicking. So I'm not sure like power button is good or not. So let me open the phone and see what's going on, and I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. Remove the SIM card. Now we're gonna remove this back cover. This actually fingerprint button, but power button is inside. So fingerprint might be good. I'm not sure power button is good or not. So after we remove this back cover, we can tell like what's going on inside. We're almost done to remove this back cover. Yes, I just remove it. Yeah, let me click the board other side. Yeah, look like his fingerprint flags is good. Yes, flags is not ripped or nothing. So fingerprint flags is good. And now I'm gonna check the power button, see is working or not. Yeah, here is the power button. Yeah, power button also good is clicking, and you see lights up. So look like his fingerprint button is just come out from the like hole. So we're gonna put it back. This quick fix is not. I don't have to change on nothing. Just put it back inside. Yeah, there is two gap is between two side goes between two gap. Yeah, now it goes inside, and now you're gonna put it back, the back cover, and everything will be fine. First we're gonna do on corner, top side corner, then we're gonna do it on power button side. Yes, now it's clicking and power button is working now. So it just stuck, like just come out from hole, that's why it's not working. Inside power button is good. And that's all right now. Let me know how you guys like it, and thank you for watching.